All right, so let's look at Jessica again. In the last post, we just did a quick overview. And in this post, what I want to do is kind of break down the phases so that you can see that even though Jessica started out with some aesthetic issues, we were able to dial those in and make an absolute beautiful finish with no archwire bending. And in this case, finishing even in NiTi in a very short period of time. So let's focus on good bracket positioning, good torque selection, and then also the fact that this case treated out to a wonderful result with no bends. Thanks a lot. All right, let's go ahead and look at this case again. This is Jessica. In the last post, we gave you a little bit of a highlight, but what we want to do is we want to look at this in a different perspective. Again, we want to look and see that Jessica has some pretty significant problems, yet they were very easily treated. I went through the phase 1, phase 2, 180275s, phase 3, finished in 180275. You can just see everything dialing in. The treatment was efficient, beautiful, and it really worked out nicely. Most importantly, what I wanted to show is not just the 11-month timeline, the fact that we were able to obtain such beautiful tooth positions, get a great smile arc development, make sure that we really treated her ideally. And with this image that you're going to see at the end, we can see that we've nailed the macro, the mini, and the micro aesthetics. But again, finishing in an 180275 wire with no bending, shown in phase 3, really can show the power of this system, and that's the most important. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoy it.